Private First Class Hospicio and Malyari, World War II veteran who served under the Headquarters and Headquarters Services Company, 3rd Battalion.
Suot ang kanilang mga uniforme at sombrerong may tatak ng pagiging veteran, makisig at bakas pa rin ang tapang ng mga kinikilalang bayaning veterano ng probinsya ng Pangasinan noong World War II. Sila at ang kanilang mga naging ambag sa Pangasinan ang muling binigyang pagpupugay at pag-alala ng pamahalang panlalawigan sa ginanap na 17th Pangasinan Veterans Day celebration kahapon January 9.
The people of the Philippines are awakening from the 3 years nightmare created by the warlords of Japan.
Ginunita rin sa araw na ito ang 79th Lingayen Gulf Landing Anniversary.
It's always a happy, sad celebration. Happy because we commemorate the patriotism, the sacrifices of our dear kababayans during the Second World War. But sad because each year that we celebrate, we learn that a lot of our veterans have passed on. Our veterans is the most important example of patriotism. As we hear their stories, their sacrifices, going to war, they have volunteered themselves. They have experienced so many experiences that none of us have ever experienced. And again, my sincerest thanks and most honorable salute to the most honorable veterans.
I am deeply touched by the sight of our veterans, some even barely able to walk, who are here with us today to attend the ceremony with enthusiasm comparable to that of a young soldier rising in defense of our country.
We will ensure the spirit of love for our country.
Sa ginanap na pag-alala, ilang kwento ng mga veterano ang ibinahagi lalong-lalo na sa paglapag ng mga sundalo ng Estados Unidos sa Lingayen Gulf taong 1948. Sa mga kabayanihang ito ng mga veterano, isang hamon ang ipinaabot na mensahe ni Philippines Veterans Affairs Office Secretary Gilberto Teodoro.
Actually, a time for us to reflect on the heroism of our dear veterans, and also a time to ask ourselves if we can measure up or match their legacy of gallantry and sacrifice for our dear motherland and our fellow Filipinos. And should the time calls for it, are we ready to step up to the challenge?
Sa taon-taong selebrasyong ito, mensahe ng PIVAW at ng pamahalang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan na manaig ang pagkakaisa at pagmamahal ng lahat, hindi lamang sa Pangasinan, kundi sa buong bansa gaya ng mga veteranong sundalong Pangasinense. Randy Guzman para sa Luzon Headlines.